Hello, welcome back to MP News. This is Aditya Mishra representing the new show of MP News Dil Chahta Hai, in which we will tell you about Indore City. Indore City, which is famous for its food, for Traffic Inspector Ranjit Singh, for cleanliness, for love which resides in the heart of citizens of Indore, and many more things. However, everyone speaks what's in their heart, what their heart exactly want. In this, we tell you what exactly the heart of Indore want. Indore, also known as Ahilya Nagari, as Devi Ahilya born over here. In general, if we talk about Indore, in general, the first thing that comes in our mind is cleanliness, because nowadays cleanliness and Indore are become synonym to each other, as Indore has crowned to be first cleanest city in India for the fourth time in a row this year, and this journey is going on and going on. This journey started from year 2017, when every morning garbage vans across Indore's colonies and lanes playing that celebratory song Indore Hua Hai Number 1, sung by Bollywood singer Shan in 2017, because in that year for the very first time Indore won this cleanliness pageant for the first time amongst 471 towns and cities in government's Swachhata Sarvekshan ranking. This Swachh Bharat mission was started by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi on 2nd of October 2014. He threw up challenges to each city of India to participate in national competitive layout to become cleanest city of India and overcome from poor cleanliness. For the first time, when Swachhata Sarvekshan list was initiated, Indore got 149th rank in that list, and from 149th rank to first rank, this journey is not so easy for Indore. But Indore proved it, that with determination, every impossible thing can be possible. The success of Indore's urban solid waste management system shows up that urban India can be cleaned up if NGOs, municipal bodies, private companies and citizens come together. In 2016, when Indore started working towards Swachh mission, it had many challenges to face. There were no municipal solid waste management system and processes were there, no composting unit, no transfer station, and even though transfer station and composting unit were non-operational. The unorganized trenching ground had over 13 lakh tons legacy waste, which were causing methane-induced fire, bad odor, and insects which attract diseases. However, in year 2016, Indore started working towards and marched ahead to become second ODF-free, open defecation-free district in India. And that year, Indore got 25th rank out of 73 cities in Swachhata Sarvekshan rankings in 2016. The achievement of becoming second ODF district made Indore Municipal Corporation to introspect and challenge itself to turn the Indore city into cleanest city of India. Municipal Commissioner Manish Singh and later Ashish Singh galvanized the entire corporation to achieve this goal. There were so many challenges to become first rank and first cleanest city of India, but the main challenge was faced by Indore Municipal Corporation to develop a good habit, a clean habit into citizens of Indore, just to keep their household waste in different bins like dry, wet and hazardous, such as sanitary napkins and diapers in different bins, and also not to litter in public places. And so many steps took by Indore Municipal Corporation to develop these kind of clean and good habits into Indore's citizens. They took so many steps. They also distributed free dustbin into wards or households where citizens were restricted that they will not keep their waste in different bins. And also Indore Municipal Corporation organized so many seminars where they taught to people of Indore how to make compost from their wet waste, and so many more steps taken by Indore Municipal Corporation. And just because of that hard work, now Indore is getting continuously first rank in India of cleanest city pageant. This is it for the today's segment.